Hi guys, it's Rosanna from Old Gift Matter. As you all know, well, some of you may know that we are decluttering our garage. Anyway, that's me. This is our workshop, only a little one in my garden. You can see. Anyway, as some of you may know, I started decluttering the garage, which is over here. And I'm gonna show you through quickly what's gonna happen here. Well, the outside, front and back all needs replacing because the wood is rotten. The door needs replacing, and there we are. It's very cluttered. I have accumulated a lot of things over the years because of all my hobbies multiplying all the time. So all this is going to go soon. Got my wheel over here buried in, it's a very old electric pottery wheel, but I love it. And it's there we go, that is the brand. Anyway, so far we have this is my very old kiln, which I love. It's a very old manual kiln, but that's how I've learned, so I'm not getting rid of it, and I still use it occasionally. So that's that. I'm attached to things, you see. I don't know, I just save everything. So anyway, we have freed quite a lot of room at the moment. We have, we are getting rid of a lot of stuff. Everything is going to be shifted. So the plan is to have one big room at the front or on this end, and all the front of the garage, which I'm going to show you now, that's going to be replaced also. Different doors. I'm going to have a big window on this side. So yeah, I mean, it's a big project, it's a big garage. Let me just go back a bit so you can see a bit more. It's a bit sunny, so I can't see anything. Anyway, so this is the front of a big double garage, and all this is going to be replaced. There's going to be a window, there's going to be a door on that end. That's the outside. That door is going to either be replaced or taken out. I don't know, we haven't decided that bit yet. It's a big project, it's going to take forever, but we're going to get there. So the room for me to do workshops in is going to be here. Basically half of the garage is going to be a big room, tidy, not with all this. But yeah, I've been doing woodwork and upcycling for a long time, so I have accumulated a lot of wood and a lot of spindles. I love spindles. I'm obsessed with spindles. In fact, I don't think I'm ready to get rid of these yet, but they're going to be all organized. But I have spindles everywhere, guys. Yeah, more spindles. I'm obsessed with spindles. What can I do? Anyway, so yeah, this is what we're up to at the minute. It's better than yesterday, and hopefully tomorrow is going to be better than today. But yeah, watch this space and I shall keep you updated. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.